Okay, so I'm Monique, and this is my postcard from Falmouth, Foreside, Maine. And behind me is the schoolhouse that has been around for a long, long time, and Tanner went to school there when he was just little. So that's the first part.
And this is the Falmouth, the Town Landing Market, which is at the top of the hill where going down to the beach, and it's a pretty iconic landmark in Falmouth on the hillside. Yeah, so lots of people use that as kind of a location. Kind of different stuff. And this is
The Falmouth Foreside area, the beach, the main town beach. And as you can see, the tide is in today. And it is foggy and kind of drizzly and rainy and all that good stuff, but this is Falmouth. There's some beautiful homes up that way. Yeah, this is kind of where Penny plays a lot. She enjoys her frisbee out here. Let's see if I can get a better shot of it up there. And this is the other side of the beach area. Again, I don't know a whole lot of history about Falmouth. I haven't figured that out, but yeah, that's the beach area, and lots of boats. And finally, this is the street we live on. This is kind of a pretty wooded area, and kind of the way it looks. So yeah, that is what's going on. And there's a sign. So here I am at my street, and it's a nice quiet street, and this is where we end our postcard for now. Okay, thanks.